Now we will practice one example on analyzing univariate data using CAS calculator. Here we will take the data set for GDP per capita in thousands of dollar and frequency. So we will use this frequency table to analyze univariate data. So the data here shown is 0 to below 4,000. There are 73 countries. 4,000 to $8,000 per capita income. There are 37 countries, and so on. So first, what we will do, we will take this data into our CAS calculator. So to do so, we will take this data sheet first, and here we will give the title for one column as GDP and title of this column as frequency. Now we will enter the data. Now when we are entering the data, here we will not give this interval, rather we will give the midpoint of the interval. So 0 and 4, its midpoint is 2. 0 plus 4 division 2, that is 2. So the midpoint is 2. The next interval is 4 to 8. 4 to 8, its interval is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12. Division 2 is 6. So next interval, midpoint is 6. For this interval 8 and 12, 20 division 2, it will be 10. So in this way we will give the midpoints. So the next midpoint will be 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34, 38, and the last one 40 and 44, its midpoint will be 42. So the last one is 42. So we calculated all the midpoints of intervals and entered the data as GDP. So now we will give the frequency values. So from the very beginning, so first frequency 73, then 37, 17, and so on. So we will start from the top. First frequency is 73, then 37, 17, 2. So we entered all the midpoints and frequency. Now we will see how we can analyze the spreads of data. That means we will calculate minimum value, maximum value, first lower quartile, upper quartile, and median, and also we will calculate mean and standard deviation. So to do this analysis, we will click on menu, statistics, stat calculation, and one variable statistics. It's an univariate data, so we will select one variable statistics. We have one list. Now this x1 list is the data, that here our data is GDP, and the frequency list we will choose frequency. Then we will press OK. So this will generate this one column, one variable statistics. So if we scroll down, our minimum value is 2, maximum value is 42. Our first quartile, that is Q1, the lower quartile is 2, upper quartile is 14, and median is, that is the second quartile or median, is 6. We can also see from here the mean value x bar, mean value is 10, and standard deviation Sx is 10.165. So in this way we can get our spread data both in terms of mean and standard deviation, and minimum, maximum, and quartiles, and from there we can calculate the range by subtracting maximum, that is 42, minus 2 will be the range, and the interquartile range will be 14 minus 2, that is 12. Now we will see how we can draw histogram from this data. To do so, we will click on this home sign on, and we will take a data plot area. This is the one. So it is showing the data in a scattered way, but we did not set any variable. So here we need to click in this horizontal, click add to variable. So click and we will put GDP here. So data will align as GDP. Now we will not set this frequency now. What we will do, we will go in menu, we will plot type and we will plot histogram. Now all the histogram frequency is 1 because we did not set frequency. So now after selecting this, we will click right button in the mouse and we will select add Y summary list, and then we will select the frequency. So this will draw our histogram, but histogram shall be continuous, there shall be no gap. So to change this width of the histogram, we will click menu again, plot property, histogram property, bin setting, equal bin width. Now we will give the bin width. Now we know that each interval width is 0 to 4, that is 4, 4 to 8 is 4. So we will give this bin width as 4. So it is now a continuous histogram. So now we know how to draw histogram. Now we will go back to the data by clicking here. Now we will learn how to draw box plot from this frequency table. For that, we will click on this home icon. We will take a new plot area. Our data will be like this. Now we will set the variable here as GDP, but we will not do anything about this frequency part now. Then we will click menu, we will plot property type and we will select plot type, we will select box plot. So that is giving box plot, but actually it is not considering the frequency. So now we will be right clicking here and add Y summary. Then we will give the frequency. So now we are getting a box plot considering data and frequency. From here we can see the values. This is the minimum point as well as for this data set, minimum and lower quartile are the same value, which is 2. This is the median, that is 6. This is the upper quartile, that is Q3 is 14. This is the 30 maximum value, and these 3 dots are showing 3 outliers, 34, 38 and 42. So we saw how to enter univariate data from a frequency table, then how we can do one variable analysis to get the spread of the data in terms of median and mean. Then we saw how to draw histogram and then how to draw box plot for a univariate data. Thank you.